You can kind of hear the crunch.
Oh, that's what heaven sounds like.
Oh, so true. Hey guys, it's Larissa here, winner of MasterChef 2019 with leftover queen number 2. I'll be showing Shazzy how to make a fruit bowl crumble tart using leftover fruit and Pampas pastry.
Yum! I will gladly wear the leftover queen's crown. I hate when I watch the fruit in the bowl just sitting there getting older and older and no one's picking it up and eating it. And so I will always take a piece of fruit that's sitting there and go, right, what can we bake with today?
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So you specialize in baking? Is that what you...
Specialise.
Do you like it?
I do like baking.
More so than your husband does, right?
Yeah, because he's a chef.
I love that. Because all chefs hate doing the sweet stuff.
They do.
They do, it's true. So we're using puff pastry here. Okay. Making some noise in the kitchen.
Too excited.
So what we're going to do is take one sheet. So I'm going to get you to pull this paper back just a little bit so that our pastry is sort of overhanging our tin there. So let's do the same on the other side.
Okay.
Pressing down that pastry so it kind of forms into that one sheet again. Great, let's get started on our little crumble mix. We're going to crush our biscuits. The best thing about this, there's no food processor involved. Add some butter and also some sugar, and we're gonna use our hands to crumble the mixture together.
This is food therapy right here.
I think I might give this to you, Shaz, and I'm gonna chop the nuts.
Beautiful.
So I'm adding walnuts to our crumble mix, but feel free to use any nuts that you have. It could be pecans, almonds, and I'm just going to add some cinnamon to that. Give that a good mix. All right, so we're just going to pour our crumble mixture onto the base of our tart here. In you go, but just keep in mind, we want to keep maybe half a cup full left.
Okay.
Because we want to use some of the crumble to go on top as well. So now we're just going to roughly sort of spread this out, but we want to just keep maybe a bit of a border around it because we're going to use this border to then overlap our pastry. So now we just need to prepare our apples to go on top of our tart. So I'm going to get you to do some chopping.
Let's do it.
We're keeping the skin on for this as well because it adds a bit of texture and a bit of colour too as well. All right, so we're just gonna do nice little layers here. Once the first layer of apples start to cook, it starts to break down and it sort of flattens out a lot. So it's good to have a sort of a buffer amount of fruit in there. And to top it off, we're gonna add our beautiful berries here.
Yeah. Mixed berries make everything look so fancy.
Yeah, it's true actually, with no effort at all, right? Now it's time to add the remaining crumble mix.
It just looks so wow-worthy.
Yes,
We haven't even cooked it yet.
We're now going to fold our pastry straight over the fruit.
Okay.
Awesome, look at that.
Looks incredible.
Looks pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Bake this for roughly 20 minutes or until we see that puff pastry go nice and golden. Have a look at that.
Here she is. Oh, that smell when you open the oven.
know, right?
It's just like delicious
It's the-
biscuity berry goodness. Oh my goodness.
Best. Final touches, some icing sugar. All right, here we go. One for you.
Beautiful.
And one for me. I think the perfect accompaniment would be some double cream.
Beautiful. Double cream's always good.
Yum, that looks so good. Let's taste it.
Oh my God.
She loves it.
Berries, cream, pastry. There's nothing wrong with that equation.
How do you feel being officially a leftover queen?
I'm the leftover queen. I'm the leftover dessert queen. I am very, very
Just
happy.
the queen herself has come through.
Thank you for showing me how to do this.
Of
I am
course.
going to be such a hit next time I have to make dessert.